Hi guys, we're going to have a look at substituting values into an equation using a table. So we've got the rule here, y is equal to 3x take 2, and we have three values of x that we're going to substitute into this equation. So we're always going to follow FSA. So we've got our formula, and then we'll substitute, and then we will have our answer at the end. So the formula or the rule that we're going to use is y is equal to 3x take 2. The first value of x that we're going to substitute in is x is equal to 1. So when we substitute these values in, I always like to pop it in brackets. And this means we're going to have 3 times by 1, take away 2. So 3 times by 1 is just going to be 3. 3 take away 2 is 1. So y is equal to 1. So I'm just going to write 1 in that box for the y value. Now we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to use x is equal to 2. So again, following FSA, we'll write our formula first. So y is equal to 3x take 2. Now this time, x will be equal to 2. So when we substitute in, we'll have y is equal to 3 times by 2 take 2. 3 times by 2 is 6. 6 take 2 is 4. So we're going to write 4 in our box over here. All right, the last one that we're going to do is we are going to do for x is equal to 3. So let's go ahead and I'll have to do this down here. So y is equal to 3x take 2, starting off with our formula. Substituting in our value for x, take away 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 take away 2 is 7. So then we can write this value in here. So we have y equal to 7 when x is equal to 3. So that was our first question. Let's go ahead and let's have a look at this second question now. So I'll just clear this and come back. Okay, so for this second example, we've got the rule y is equal to 4x take 3. So let's write our formula first. So y is equal to 4x take 3. We're going to substitute in our values of x from the table. So our first value of x that we'll substitute in is x is equal to 1. So y is equal to 4 times by 1 take 3. 4 times by 1 is 4. 4 take 3 is 1. So our answer we'll get is y is equal to 1. Okay, let's do the same thing, except let's do this now for our x value equal to 2. So starting off with our formula, y is equal to 4x take 3. Substituting in when x is equal to 2, we're going to have 4 lots of 2, take away 3. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 take 3 is going to be 5. So our answer is going to be y is equal to 5. All right, now we'll fill out this last value. So we're going to write when x is equal to 3. So starting off with our formula, always starting off with y is equal to 4x take 3. Substituting in our value for x now, so x equal to 3. So 4 lots of 3. Take away 3. 4 lots of 3 is 12. 12 take away 3 is going to be 9. So our answer will be y is equal to 9. All right, so let's just keep going. So let's do another example here. So complete the table using the rule y is equal to 4x squared. So this one's a little bit more complicated than the previous example, but it shouldn't be too tricky. We'll follow the exact same process. So starting off with our formula, y is equal to 4x squared. So we'll substitute in this value for x. So when x is equal to 1, so y is equal to 4 lots of 1 squared. So what we're going to do, we're going to always do the squared first. And the reason for that, if we're going to follow BOMDAS, a power is also called an order. Okay, so that means that we're going to do this order before we multiply. So 1 squared is just going to be 1. 4 lots of 1 is going to be equal to 4. So our answer will be equal to 4. All right, same thing now. So starting off with our formula, y is equal to 4x squared, except this time we are going to substitute when x is equal to 2. So y is equal to 4 times by 2 squared. So we'll do the power part first because our orders come before our multiplication. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So our answer will be 16. So we'll write that in our table. All right, last one, and I've kind of run out of a little bit of space here. That's all right. We'll start off with our formula again. So y is equal to 4x squared. Substituting in now, x is equal to 3. So we'll have y is equal to 4 lots of, or 4 times 3 squared. We'll do the power before we do the multiplication. So 3 squared is 9. 4 lots of 9 is going to be equal to 36. So write that in our solutions. Okay, last one. So this last one here is a little bit of a different type of question. So work out the rule for this table. So I'm going to create a separate video for this skill, and I will let you know when I have posted that. Thanks guys, keep an eye out.